shouting?
I made it. Mama, I made it.
What did you
make? I made it, Mama. Mama, check for yourself. I made it.
What did you make?
Scholarship, Mama. I made it.
Scholarship?
Yes, Mama.
What school?
Modern International High School, Mama.
Hey! That school that is exclusively for the rich.
Yes, Mama. Yes.
Hey!
I made it.
Nemo, congratulations, my daughter. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, God. God, I thank you. I thank you. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey! He's so yokwala. He's so quiet.
So, we have to part ways now.
Yeah, so you can go to your hostel while I walk down to mine. Please, take good care of yourself.
Certainly I will. And try and take good care of yourself too. For me, for us.
I will. I'll miss you, baby.
I've already started missing you. You know I love you, right? Come on. Take care of yourself.
Me too. Bye.
Alright.
Nem,
Ma.
I'm so happy for you that God have done it for us. Just imagine, a school that I never thought that you would step your leg into for the rest of your life. God did this miracle and gave you a scholarship to the school.
Thank you, Mama. Even me, like, I can't even believe it, Mama. Who am I? Mama, I need to start making arrangements because school has resumed already. And I don't want to experience any setback.
Oh, nothing is going to stop you. God have started this work and He will perfect it.
Amen.
Amen. Let me quickly rush to the market and get something to prepare your favorite meal for us to celebrate this miracle.
Thank you, Mama.
Let me rush, eh?
Okay, Mama.
Just stay and prepare.
Okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
Who can be knocking by this time of the night?
I don't know.
Check results. Please, don't shoot us, sir. Please don't kill my mom. Don't shoot us.
There is money. I mean, all the money in this house.
No, we don't have money. We don't have money in this house. It's only 2,000 naira, but we have it. Please.
Two? Do you think I'm here to joke with you? 2,000?
Yes, that's all we have.
Think we are here to pray, right?
Please, don't shoot us, don't.
Okay, fine. Now 2,000. This is how we're gonna do it. Since you have 2,000 for us, mama. You have 2,000. Your beautiful daughter is gonna pay the price.
Mama, please don't touch Mommy.
Just 2,000. More than 2,000, baby girl. It's not got that shade. And I'm gonna do it. For just 2,000. It's gonna pay the price. Hey, shh! Shut the fuck up!
Good day, class. And how are you today?
Fine.
All right, you may sit.
Thank you.
We have a new student in our midst. What is it, Nora? Nora is a student that joined this great alma mater scholarship. I want you all to be kind to her, okay? Okay. I know. She doesn't belong to your class, I know. She doesn't come from the same background as you all come from, okay? She comes from the lower class. But please, do not despise her, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, sweetheart, look for any free desk and make yourself comfortable. You're welcome to the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, so what was our last topic?
Hey, come here. You dirty, poor looking thing. What are you doing here? Huh? Who told you this school was meant for poor smelling things like you? Abi, tell him.
Hey, you haven't said anything. Are you daft? Nora!
Obviously deaf and dumb.
That can be Nora. Weren't you told of the caliber of students that attend this school?
Please let me and tell her.
Huh?
Ask her.
Don't you know you're not worth such exquisite academic environment like this? Huh?
Hey, madam, it's you they are talking to. Can't you talk?
I don't understand.
I don't get it. Oh, now I get it. You obviously have math photo and she wouldn't want to show off her poverty and weakness.
Now you're talking. No wonder. Please, babes, let's leave this impecunious thing and move on. Get out from here.
What's this?
I said leave! She's there.
Oh my goodness! Is there school bag for me?
Look at her. What is this? Made in Aba. Babes, let's go!
What nonsense is this you're wearing? This is
Make sure you wash those hands.
Wash your hands!
Oh!
Your hands are standing already. Don't touch me.
Mama, can you hear me? I want to behold you. Remember the promise you made to me. Now people are laughing. They don't know my problems. I just want to go far away. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
Good, I'm fine.
I'm okay.
Hello.
What kept you so long?
Was it not that tattered kite that just joined us today?
You mean Nora?
Who else if not her? I don't know how she got her way into the school. Like, she stinks.
Come on, Mabel. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay? Just forget about her. You know what? Let's go have some fun. Yes, let's go enjoy ourselves before the break gets over.
Okay.
Are you okay with it?
Sure.
So ladies, are you in?
Yeah, we are in. Sure.
Alright, let's go.
You're not seeing anything. And why are you here all by yourself. You don't want to associate with anyone. Nora, you look worried. Do you mind sharing with me?
Of your mind. What are you trying to do? Walk on same space with us? As what? Your mates? Huh?
We are talking and you're still standing here moping at us like fool. Turn and leave this place.
Nora or whatsoever you call yourself. Turn and go back. We can't be sharing same space with a thing of your nature. Are you okay? Look at this one. Nora, what's the meaning of this? Why are you pushing her?
She cannot share the same space with us.
Why?
Because she stinks.
But this is meant for everyone.
It's not meant for pigs like her.
Look at her.
When next you see us coming, just do yourself good. Turn and go back. Want to share space with us.
Ah, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
What's good about the day? Eh? And what is going on here?
Nothing, sir. We're just having a normal friendly conversation.
Discuss.
Yes, sir.
Meanwhile, I'm headed to the class, and I don't want to be there before any of you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Guys, we're late for class. We need to hasten up. You know Mr. Frank and his strict principles.
So he must have gotten into the class.
Shit!
Entering my class.
Sorry, sir.
Today should be the first and last day I will be in class before any student. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
In our last class, we discussed about states and its features. So who can tell me 5 features of a state? Sophia, you. Yes, you. Come on, stand up.
Include state governor and deputy state governor.
Will you sit down there? Who else can tell me? Mabel. You can help your friend.
Every state has the following features. Number one.
I don't just understand what is going on in this class. Is it that you all don't read your books or what? Eh? Who else can tell me? Hey, Sophia. Oh, you think they can want me to see you, right? Stand up and tell us. So tell me.
Features of a state are population, government, sovereignty.
Oh, I love. A round of applause for her.
Sir.
Hello. I said a round of applause for her. I don't understand what is going on in this class. Please, make sure you read your book, okay?
Yes, sir.
I will give you assignments to go home and work on, okay?
Alright, let's go.
Can you imagine that dirty thing? Making us feel useless in front of the whole class. Eh? Like I'm so bittered. I'm angry. Eh? With her poverty, she was able to answer questions we couldn't answer.
You can imagine. How was she able to come up with that answer? I was so embarrassed. You know, clapping for that girl was the most embarrassing, humiliating thing. Like, can you imagine? Talk about the devil.
Hey! Come back here. Come back here.
Madam, come this way.
I'm talking to you, Nora. Come here. Are you deaf? Come on, madam. I said come here. Eh? Are you deaf?
I'm calling you.
Eh?
You want to go.
Wait. What are you feeling like? Eh? So being able to answer Master Frank's question has placed us in the same level.
Never.
Abi?
Never.
Hey,
never.
God, can you imagine?
If you like, answer the whole question in this world. That doesn't change the fact that I'm a poor, wretched thing. You know, I keep wondering how she got here. Who sent this smelling thing to this school? We are so classless.
Gosh! Nora, get out of our sight. Just leave! Would you get out from here? Just leave. Get out from here. I say get out! Out! Get out from here.
Girl, okay?
I hate her.
Classless thing.
What are you doing here, you this disgusting thing? Am I not talking to someone? You know what? It's cool you don't talk most times because I won't be able to cope with your mouth odor. Now would you get out of my sight? I said out! Get out! Out!
Why is she always by herself? What's going on with her?
Hi Nora, my name is Julian. Nora, are you okay? Is anything bothering you? Look, I'm seriously concerned about you. I mean, why are you always by yourself and lonely all the time? Why don't you associate with people? Look, you can talk to me. I may be of help.
I think I'm not watching. I don't like to
Hey! What are you trying to do? Huh? Block my way into the hostel or have me walking with you? Look, better respect yourself in this school. Avoid me so you don't stain me with your poverty. Useless thing. Come on, move.
Nora. What happened? What's the problem? What did you do to her? Nora! Would you ever talk to me? You ever talk to me? What's the problem? What did you do? Nora!
You see that girl? I will so deal with her. That girl needs to understand that people of her class aren't supposed to be here at all. How many girls will continue to press her neck until she leaves? Her presence alone disgusts me. Where do you think you are going? Eh? Where do you think you are going to? What you talk? I'm not done.
Is your headphone tray for me? I don't even know how you girls manage to share this one with this thing. Enough of the relation girls. Here's this one.
Yeah, I've never insulted any of you. But you keep pushing her around. Okay, what's our offense now? Hey, her poverty alone is an offense. Yes. My dear, I can't just share same space with this ugly looking thing.
Of course.
Mother,
Please, I beg you. Get out of the way so I think I can go to her.
Excuse me, don't follow me. You, go back outside and knock. Exactly. You shouldn't be walking freely in here. Hey, madam, why did you do that? It's not shift. Oh yeah? Go! Go! You get out! You get out! Knock! Are you mad?
In our last class, we talked about singular and plural subjects and their verb preferences. What I told us was singular subjects take singular verbs. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. I'm sure you understand it. And if you do, can anybody give me an example of what I taught us in our last class? Okay, Nora.
Henry is a nice boy because Henry is a singular subject. Is because it takes a singular verb. But when we have a plural subject like Henry and Emeka, we use are.
Very good. Just keep standing. You know, there are exceptions to this rule. Nora, can you give us an example of the exceptions to that rule?
You are a teacher. You is a singular subject but takes a plural verb.
Very good. Give her a round of applause. Good. Any other person? Any other example?
Babe, what's wrong?
Nothing is wrong.
Aren't you going to have fun, at least before the break gets over?
I'm not in the mood.
Babe, this is unlike you. Come on, let's go.
I said I'm not in the mood. Excuse me. Go back to the hostel. is she not in the school premises? Where can I find her now?
Who can be knocking by this time of the night?
I don't know.
Check who's outside.
Please, sir, please. Don't shoot us, sir. Please, please don't kill my mom. Don't shoot us.
Yeah, I mean, all the money in this house.
No, we don't have money. We don't have money in this house. It's only 2,000 naira, but we have it. Please.
Two? Do you think I'm here to joke with you? 2,000?
Yes, that's all we have. Please,
think we are here to pray, right?
Please, don't shoot us, don't.
Okay, fine. Now, 2,000. This is how we're gonna do it. Since you have 2,000 for us, mama. You have 2,000. Your beautiful daughter is gonna pay the price.
Mama, please don't touch my daughter. Mommy.
Just 2,000. More than 2,000, baby girl. If you don't got that shade, and I'm gonna do it. For just 2,000. You're gonna pay the price.
Mama, don't touch my daughter. Mama.
Hey, shh. Shut the fuck up.
I wanna be all alone. I'm feeling pain deep inside. I wanna know who I am now. Can somebody hear my cry? Hey mama, 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 mama, can you hear me? I want to be holy. Remember the promise you made to me. Now people are laughing, but they don't know my promise. I just wanna go far away. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama.
Nora. I'm Harvey. I know you know me already. Nora, please. I would like us to be friends. Close friends, if you don't mind. Nora.
My manchi.
Papa, no. What are you doing here?
Nothing.
Nothing. And you're here standing like somebody that's under a spell. And you're telling me nothing. Harvey. Harvey.
burdens your heart so much? What is it that makes you stay away from people? You are always on your own, looking sober. What's the problem? What is going on? Nora, please stop crying and talk to me.
Each time I remember the way my mother was killed, I can't help it but to weep bitterly. She's the only one I got in this life. And they took her away from me in such a painful way.
Yeah. Please. I'm sorry about what happened. Please accept my heartfelt condolences over the loss of your mom.
It's fine. Thank you.
Mabel, what is it? Why is your face this bad?
Is it not your friend, Avi?
Are you guys having a problem?
I can't tell. Avi that usually wants to go out to have fun with me during break periods has refused to go out with me today. I just don't get it.
Avi has been acting strange of late. Are you sure everything is okay with him?
I don't know. But he seriously got me pissed off today.
I'm sorry on his behalf. But I think you should ask if everything is okay with him and why he has refused to go out with you. Don't you think? You're fine. Huh? Okay. You'll be good. Alright.
Take care.
Mabel, nothing is wrong with me.
And you expect me to believe that? Come on, what's wrong now? Tell me. You aren't saying anything. Why did you refuse to go out with me during break today?
Must we always go out together? No, tell me. Must we? Can't you just pick up your book and study? Do something for yourself.
Babe, this is unlike you. You've really changed. You've changed.
Thank God. The break is over. And you know we'll be having class very soon. So please, can you just allow me to comport myself before the class? So, Avi, tell me, where will you be spending your midterm break?
Home, of course. I need to go see my parents. It's been a while.
This girl. This girl.
Leave it for me. Leave it for me.
You know, I was surprised seeing you and Nora together. She barely talks to anyone around her, in and outside class.
How that she is. Nora.
Ivy. Please, can you help me talk to Nora? Tell her I like her.
Avi, Nora is really traumatized. I believe she needs to heal from some stuff, so I don't think she needs any guy by her side. For now, please. Okay, I'll help you talk to her. I'll try my best.
You will?
Yeah, I will.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I've been trying so hard to talk to her, but she didn't give me that attention.
She's always like that sometimes. I'll try my best now. I'll help you talk to her. So tell me, would you be spending your holiday here or at home?
Yeah, of course.
Why?
Please, I don't need that home stress.
You don't need home stress. How? Or you don't want to wash plates? You don't want to send it to wash plates?
Exactly. I don't want to wash plates.
I understand.
Do you know what it means to be washing plates in the house?
Yeah, I understand.
Thank you so much for looking out for me.
You're always welcome. And thank you for accepting to be my friend too. Do you know I've been wanting to be your friend since the first day you stepped into this school? Midterm break starts tomorrow. Will you be going home or you remain here?
I will be going home because I need to tidy up the environment.
Okay, me too. I'll be going home. So I'm permitted to come and visit you at home.
Sure. Why not?
Thank you. Okay, so where is your house located at? Tell me.
Don't worry, I'll go.
I'm feeling pain deep inside. I wanna know who I am now. Can somebody hear my cry? Hey mama, 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 can you hear me? Remember the promise you made. You know my promise. I just wanna go far away. Hey mama, 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 hey mama. I wanna be all alone now. I'm feeling pain deep inside. I wanna know who I am now. Somebody please hear my cry. Mama, can you hear me? I want to hold you. Remember the promise you made to me. Now people alive, they don't know my problems. I just wanna go.
Yeah, hello, Ivy. Where are you?
Hi, Harvey. I'll be waiting for you at the junction.
At the junction. Are you serious? I've been at the junction for a very long time.
Oh, okay. I'll see you. I'm coming right now.
Mama, can you hear me? I want to be hold you. Remember the promise you made. They don't know my problems. I just wanna go far away.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm so fine. I'm so sorry. Like, I didn't see you when you drove across. I'm sorry, I was waiting at the shop right there.
It's okay. You said you know her place.
Yes, I do, but it's at a remote part of the city.
Okay, let's go then.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. How is mom?
Everyone is good. I'm just worried about Nora. I hope she's fine.
Wanna know who I am now. Can somebody hear my cry? Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey mama, hey
I know how you feel. I know how painful this can be. Ivy told me how you lost your mom. And I seriously wish I was there to fight for you. Please. You need to heal from this.
Nora, Ivy is right. You need to heal from all this. I mean, it's high time you take all this off your chest, and crying all day won't help. Please.
Staying here all alone is going to worsen the case. You need to find a place to stay. Stay with someone.
Even here, it's too scary and lonely. I can't even stay here for long. Nora, please, can you follow me home to...
No need for that. This is my father's house. And I'll bear the pain alone. And I'm not going to run away from it.
But come on, you can't stay here all alone.
No.
It's going to worsen the case. You need to leave. You need to heal from this.
This whole place is even terribly alone.
Come on.
Please.
No, I'll be fine. I will go through this pain alone.
This auntie is very good. She just needs to live.
Hey mama, 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 hey mama.
Wait, my son. Is this Who else? Who else if not you? Who else?
Hi, girls.
What's up?
Who else will even come to this school with tricep?
not you I'm talking to. I said, come here. Nora, come here. Oh yeah, carry these stuffs and follow me. I don't have time. Be fast. Nora, I said, carry these stuffs and follow me inside. Make sure you don't break anything there because you will pay. And you know you are too broke to pay for anything. So, carry it. And again, I don't want to get inside there before you. If you do, you will sleep on the floor. Trust me. Oh yeah, fast, fast.
I want to be holding. Remember the promise you made to me. Now people are laughing. They don't know my problems. I just want to go far away.
I missed you too.
How you doing?
That's my baby.
Don't let me blush. See, I have a lot to do. I have a lot to do. Jeez. Come on, sit down. No, don't just sit down. Hey.
Just me, baby. Give it to me.
My dad actually took us to Maldives.
Wow!
He got us expensive diamonds.
You had the diamonds?
See, he got us expensive diamonds. Like,
Hey, come here.
where do you think you are going to? Eh? Would you come back here and sweep our corner for us?
I don't know what she's talking to.
Are you deaf? I said, come back here and sweep my corner for me. What is this? Is it not you I'm talking to? I said, come back here. Go. Alright, please get me that book. Fine. You must sweep this entire room for daring to go against my order. I'll be sitting here. And I'll be watching you. Alright, be fast now.
Hi. Good morning, Abby.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much for coming to check up on me during the break.
You're welcome. Meanwhile, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Hi. Come here.
You shouldn't have come out at the first place. Mabel, I expected you to teach that poor girl a lesson of her life.
I couldn't control my emotions.
Really?
I'm deeply pained, babes.
You should have attacked her with that pain mood immediately.
That's it. By now she should have been in tears. It's fine. So, Nora is the reason Abby has been avoiding me all this while.
Obviously.
So she's responsible for Abby's sudden change towards me. I swear to God, I will make her regret all of this.
And you should start me immediately. Yes.
I mean, you cannot lose your boyfriend to that classless thing. You can't.
Osha, let's go to the class first. During break period, we deal with her. We need to do something about it. Seriously. Let's just go. Let's go. I think I'm not okay for you.
Can you imagine? Please calm down, okay?
Just go to your desk. Let them deal with this. Please.
talk at least. Understand? Like, but at least saying a word to me gladdens my heart.
Thank you so much for being able to first voice out of my mouth.
No.
I was really dying. And I thank God for gifting me a caring friend like you whom I share my pains with.
And it's that pain that will kill you. It's that pain that will kill you, Nora!
Maybe what's the meaning of it?
Hey! I did not call your name. I did not mention you here. I'm talking to this poor witch that wants to take my boyfriend away from me. So it's because of you Javi has been ignoring me. Eh? You even had the effrontery to hug my guy in my presence. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Bro! What's the meaning of this? Oh, just slap her when she didn't even touch you. This is just a warning. Let me say around Avi again and she will regret ever coming into this school. Rubbish.
It's fine.
What do you want to do?
It's okay, it's fine. Sorry, just go.
Look at Jay. I'm just so confused. That Ivy is a confused girl.
I'm so sorry about what just happened, okay? Please don't cry. Don't think about it, okay? It's okay. It's fine, please. Sorry, my love. Sorry. Don't think about it, okay? Don't cry.
What's really going on between you and that poor thing, Nora?
Where is this question coming from?
Bro, from every angle. The other day, your babe came complaining to me about how you avoid her. And now today, it is you all over the place with Nora. What's going on?
Okay. If you must know. I like Nora. Yes. She got the qualities I need in a girl.
Kill that joke, bro. What qualities does that poor girl have compared with your babe, Mabel? Have you not seen how fresh and presentable Mabel always looks? Think calm.
Boris, I'm sorry to say, if I continue to explain myself to you, at the end of the day, you will still prefer Mabel. So what I'm going to do now is to leave you. Okay? But do not use negative words talking about my girl.
Avi. Alpha. Bro, come on. So you want to work out on me because of a girl?
So what are you insinuating?
I'm not trying to insinuate anything. I'm saying it loud and clear that what you both are doing is wrong. Stop taking sides with Mabel to go against a girl that did nothing wrong to you.
Ivy, you are so shameless.
I don't understand.
What do I say? You don't know where you belong.
I don't understand.
Oh, calm down. Let me explain to you. So of all your father's riches, I mean your father's wealth, despite the way he treats you, for you to feel good and look classy like us, and also roll with big girls from wedding backgrounds like us, you ended up becoming friends with that smelling.
How is that your business? How is that your business? Why not let me flow with whoever pleases me? Besides, friendship is not based on someone's financial background, but based on the mutual understanding they share. So what are you trying to say?
Hey, yeah, understanding friend of a poor girl. Understanding girl.
Nora, why are you always in this mood? Is there any day that will pass by that you try to lighten up?
You won't understand.
I understand everything. And that is why I came here to cheer you up. See, it breaks my heart each time I see you in this mood. You need to lighten up.
I'm so sorry for making you feel so hurt. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. I just want you to be happy. Okay? I like the smile on your face. Yeah. I got us ice cream.
Wow.
I know you like this one.
You got us ice cream?
Of course. The big one at that.
Oh.
So? This is the best. I know you will like it. Come on.
Now you're making me shy.
Come on.
Okay.
It's this. Come on. Like it, right? Let's go again. Come on now.
Okay.
Stop!
Do you know you've got this talent when it comes to getting close to people?
How do you mean?
I'm making reference to your ability to get close to Nora. Do you know how many times I've tried talking to her but she never responded?
Yeah.
Well, it's fine, Sha. I'm just glad she's chatting with people now.
Yeah, she's gradually associating with people.
You made it possible. Just say hi to her on my behalf.
This is why you're asking me to say hi to Nora.
Stop, Joe.
Joining Nora's bed with yours.
Are you okay?
And how is that supposed to be your business?
Don't mind the fool. See, madam, if you don't learn to respect and mind yourself in this school, I will teach you the best way to do that.
See, look how he's talking. I dare you to try me. Bring it on. Try me.
That shall never end. Can you see this goat? Can you see this pig? You're looking for your bed, right? See, I'm here. See it. Come and take it. I dare you. What do you want to do? She actually wants your bed. Take the bed. It's the gods for me. She doesn't know anything. She's not confused, but come and take it. I dare you.
Nora, don't tell me you don't want to do anything about this. I know what to do. I'm going to report you girls to the hostel authority. Informer.
Let them be. Let them do whatever that pleases them.
So pathetic. I want to cry. Oh, sorry.
It's just deceiving you. Can't you are just messing yourself. I will just squeeze you. I will press you. I will melt you. Wait, you guys are happy now. Eh? You are happy, right? Are you giving up on a useless call? Come back now. Come on, Minister of Affairs. Actually, just go authorities. Look at them.
Centipedes.
Making noise.
Wait. So, this is what you called me out here to tell me?
But what were you expecting?
You are asking me what I expected to hear from you. Instead of you to apologize to me for following Nora, you are asking me to stop maltreating her.
Of course you need to stop maltreating that girl. You need to stop all this. That girl has done nothing to you. I heard how you made her sleep on naked dog last night. And you slept on her bed. Libra, what is the problem?
It is none of your business. I had to do it to teach her a lesson. And for your information, I haven't started maltreating her yet. She is because of her, you are ignoring me. No problem.
What has come over this girl?
Please. Can you just help me? Maybe you'll write my assignment, please.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. You know what Master said? I should submit the answer sheet. I can't.
You saw what happened at the class. Mabe just stole my paper. Please now. Please help me. Please.
I've told you I can't help you. Maybe you go in there, explain to him, maybe he'll allow you to submit yours later. Eh? Good luck.
You and I know that Master won't allow this. Please. Help me now. Please.
So be it then. I can't do that. Eh?
Please now.
So you are here crying. You are seated here shedding tears.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? She already tore my paper.
See, Nora, it's high time you taught that Mabel of a girl the lesson of her life. You can't continue taking all these insults and humiliations from her. It's too much.
I wish I can do something. I wish I can do something.
What do you mean? Are you paralyzed or what? So you can't fight her? You can't hold her by her neck and strangle her?
How? Who will defend me? I have no mother, no father, no sister, no auntie. Nobody to stand for me against my best wealthy family. Nobody. What do you want me to do? But it's fine. It's fine.
Oh my God. Why are people so heartless? Why?
My gallant baby. My no-nonsense girl. My baby girl. Beno. Girl, I like the way you dealt with that girl. Come on. Babe, like you don't disappoint at all. Baby girl. Mabel, you see, I just enjoyed the way you were saying that your snake.
No, now, since you just take your guy from you, choke her to death. Rubbish.
See, you girls are hailing me when I've not even started anything yet.
Really?
I will so deal with her, and there's nothing she can do about it.
What can she do?
Trust me.
There's nothing. She hasn't seen anything yet.
I will frustrate her in this.
Cry!
What do you think about Master Grace's assignment? Do you trust that you wrote it well enough?
Yes. Yes, I did. But Nora helped me. Yeah. She did almost everything.
Okay. What is it?
She didn't get to submit her assignment. Maybe I'll tore her answer sheet. Maybe I dealt with her. And even when she tries to meet Master to at least give her some time to redo her assignment, Master refused. I don't really know what is wrong with Mabel. I don't know what is... Nora! Are you still crying over this same issue?
It's okay.
What? Nora! So you still have the effrontery to hug my guy? Are you mad?
Don't you ever try to slap her again! I'm done with you!
Hey. Have it.
No, leave him. Let him beat me because of this poor foolish girl.
Mabe, please.
No, beat me. Come on, beat me. No, let him beat me.
Let's go now. Forgive me.
Guy, I can't believe you attempted to slap your baby because of Nora.
Ever since Mabel has been bullying this girl, what have you done? No, tell me, what have you done to stop her? You are here blaming me. Nora's only crime is the fact that she took up a scholarship to study in this school. Her only crime is the fact that she is a poor orphan. Now put yourself in her shoes and tell me how you will feel if she was treating you the same way she is treating that girl.
Even at that, you shouldn't have attempted to beat up your babe. I think I'm now.
It's obvious you have no conscience. No sympathy. I think it's time I disconnect myself from you. Because I can't stand this.
Bro, calm down. Bro, it hasn't gotten to this now. Okay, I'm sorry. Keep your apologies to yourself. Never reach like this. Ah.
What's happening? I've been asking you, are you okay? Nora. I've been asking you, are you okay? Nora.
So, Avi actually wanted to meet me because of that girl. I swear, Nora will see shaking promise in this one. Hey, come here!
So, what the hell is wrong with you, madam? Can't you let me have peace in this school? Do you know the kind of emotional trauma I've been through? Do you know how depressing it is? Coping with losing my mom in such a painful way? With your bully in this school, what is wrong with you, Mabel? That was really nice of you. You should have slapped her more. This is Nora I've always been wanting now. Maybe was so shocked. She never believed that slap came from you. I saw it from far. God, you did so great. Just anytime she opened her mouth and talk, just load that better slap. That's what you should have been doing now. Trust you. I like this Nora. Smile, you did great. Julia, where is all this smiles coming from?
Nora, there is something I've always wanted to tell you. But each time I try to say it out, I just feel it might get you upset.
And what is it?
Nora, please, I love you so much. Yes. I've always wanted to tell you this. You are just the perfect definition of the kind of girl I want around me. I am telling you this before your best friend. I am ready to profess and confess my love for you any day and at any time. You are the...
Please stop. Please stop.
I know you're not in good terms with Mabel. But I think she has something to say to you.
No, I'm so sorry. I don't know what has been over me. Hearing you say those things to me made me realize how I made a beast of a soft and easygoing girl. And hearing you talk about your mother's death really got me the more. From today, I promise not to take you just as a friend, but as a sister. Please forgive me. Please, I'm so sorry.
Forgive me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Love you guys.